If you are like most people, you are looking for a way to cut corners and save some money. There are a few things that you can do to save money today. You can travel less and use less gasoline. You can cut down on utility expenses by not using so much electricity and heat. You can eliminate eating out and eat at home. The way to really save money and eat healthy at the same time is to grow your own vegetables. This can trim your food bill substantially, depending on the number of vegetables that you grow. If you have a patch of ground, you can save money by growing your own vegetables in the soil and wind up with vegetables and fruits that are healthier than those that you buy in the store. You can save at least $100 a month by growing your own vegetables. It takes work to plant and harvest a vegetable garden, but it is good work. Working in a garden and planting vegetables or fruits is therapeutic. Many people enjoy being outdoors and gardening just for the heck of it. When you are saving money because of your endeavors, it makes the experience even better. To save even more money, the Eva Beach community has an area where plants and seeds are shared and traded. This area is called the Eva Beach Free Store and it is hosted by one of our family members. It is located on Kaunolu Street and has been a benefit to the community for 6 months. There are free stores located all over the island. You can find out more information by going to https://nomoola.com/stores/.